Wow, the Chevy shootout coming up here. What a matchup of these two goaltenders. The shots end up 42-30 favoring the Lightning. 12-9 in the third, 4-3 in the overtime. And Andrei Vasilevskiy, fresh from a win against the Canadiens, stopping 3 shots. He's allowed just 1 goal this year. That .909 save percentage leads the league in the shootout. And Frederik Andersen not far behind at 80%. That's a good percentage. He has won 6 shootouts this year, and that leads the league.
Well, we know we're going to see Brayden Point sooner than later. His record in the shootout going back to last year, outstanding. 7 for 12. That puts him in 4th place in that time frame. 7 shootout goals, including the only goal scorer to win it against Montreal at the end of the road trip.
Well, the hot stick in that Leaf lineup, the veteran Tyler Bozak, whose power play goal tied this game at 3. And has he ever been hot this year in the shootout? 4 of 5.
Yikes.
We got you all set up for this one. Let's see how it unfolds with Ryan Callahan to shoot first for the Lightning. And here he comes on Frederik Andersen. And Andersen stops him.
Callahan knew what he wanted to do all along. He wanted to do that double back move and try to jam it in, but Andersen seemed to read it right away. See how patient he is? He's down and take it away. Once you're committed on that shot, there's no room if the goalie is with you.
William Nylander picks up the puck. In on Vasilevskiy. Little stutter step. And Vasilevskiy got a stick on that shot.
He always finds a way on those plays down low. Nylander being such a shooter, I thought he might pull the trigger. Sold it just for a second. And Vasilevskiy doing a nice job there of stringing that one out to the outside of the post.
Well, here's Brayden Point.
Watch for the quick shot.
Scores! Finds a corner on Andersen.
His release is magnificent. He comes in and he loads up so quickly. He's probably a little worried about a rolling puck, but goes to heck with it. He catches it flat on the blade anyway, and that is in super slow-mo. He hammered that in the top shelf with a rolling puck. Got it flat on the blade and threw it.
And the Leafs counter with their ace in the shootout. It's Bozak firing. A save by Vasilevskiy.
Vasilevskiy showed him the 5-hole there. Bozak hesitating for a second, trying to get that 5-hole opened up. Is it open? Is it open? Yes, it is. No, it's not. That right leg goes down and shuts it off.
Yanni Gourde can secure it right here. And here he comes on Andersen. Backhands it wide as he tried to move from the forehand to the backhand.
I couldn't tell if Andersen got a tip with a glove. You probably got a better angle than I did, Rick. It's a nice move here by Yanni Gourde. Sells the shot for a second, controls it. No, it looks like it just went wide off the toe of his blade.
Well, it's down to James Van Riemsdyk here. He's got to score to keep the Leafs going. He scored the first Leafs goal in the game. Swings in. He is stopped by Vasilevskiy, and the Lightning win another shootout. 1-0. They win the hockey game 4-3, and they've won 4 straight games. And a big win here at home. Another game where they had to battle back from deficits.